Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. I hope all are well. In previous last two lecture, I discussed and implemented the two minor project that is personal expense tracker and task manager where we use the fundamentals and concept of Python programming language such as if else condition, while loop and how to write a defined function with return statement and how to handle and build a logic. If you have not watched, please watch it. And in this lecture, I again take a next project that is contact manager. I'm taking a number of project because it will help you to apply your concepts and fundamentals of Python programming. You have know about list, dictionary, loop, if-else condition, variables, user-defined function, break statement. If you are able to apply it, so you have not learned the Python programming. So that's why I'm taking a few more project to explain this concept and your concept to become embedded in your brain whenever you have a problem and you are going to build with the Python, so you can build it. So let's start this lecture. So in this lecture, I will discuss and implement the contact manager. Uh, in a contact manager, what we built it, uh, you have a mobile phone and in this mobile phone, you have a contact app where number are arranged in a good manner. If I say in an alphabetical manner, and they have some information like their phone number as well as their email and any other information. You can search, you can delete, and you can view the contact. So, taking the inspiration from the phone app, we are trying to building through the Python from a scratch, and let's see. There are a lot of functionality in a contact manager we are going to add in. First is we can add a contact. Let me take a pen. First is add contact. Okay, here you will add a new contact with their phone number as well as email if you want to add. You can also view the contact you want to see and you want to call it, so you can view the contact. And if you have a lot of numbers, you cannot go through the each number each contact, so you can search through the name. And if you have added a number contact number but you want to update it without any deleting, you can update also. And if you want to delete it, so you can also delete the contact. And so this functionality I'm going to implement it and making this contact manager system very robust, and you can use it as your minor project and you can write in your resume also. So let's go to the code where we will build a contact manager and also applying the concept that I discussed in the previous lecture. So let's move to the VS Code. Okay. So first we will make a file. Okay. Let's create a new file. Okay. I will create a new file. First, I open the folder where I save the all files. Okay. So here I made several files, and here I will create a new files and implement the contact manager system. So let's create a new file. contact manager.py. Now please add the extension to distinguish between the files and make it a Python file. Enter it. So you will have a, I delete this. Okay. So here I will write a code and build the project. So first we need to in this project I'm trying to use a different approach from the other two projects. First, in a last two project, I I focus more on the writing a function. Then I write the main function. So here, what will I do? I will write a main function first, and as demand arise, then I will add a functionalities and making a function the same time. So we have a like add function. I write here, it become easy. So I write here add contact, and we will view the contact, and we delete the we update the contact, and we will make a one file, JSON file, where we will save all of the contacts, and where in this file we have all the contact in a dictionary format. We have a name and corresponding values. So we have a next dictionary, and so first write the main function. So I will write df diff main. Here I will write here I will first make a list of content. If I choose the one for adding a contact, if I choose the two is for the view the contact, and like that I will add a 1 to 6. So first we need to load the contact if you have created a file. Okay, so I will write here contacts. If you have created a files, JSON files, first we load it. If you have not created, it will create and where we save the all of the contacts. So I will write here contacts load contact function I will make. So the approach I used here is different from the approach that I used in a previous last two lecture. So here I will, as demand arise, I will write a function. So load contacts, and here we will load the contacts. So first we will check. First I will import the OS. First we will check file exists or not. Okay, file exists, then we will move forward. OS dot path dot exist. Then I will open the file. Then I have to create a file as well. So I will write here contacts file. Okay. Then I will write here contacts dot JSON. Now in previous last lecture I saved the data in the C format. So I am taking a new format of saving a data in a JSON format. So JSON CSV I will take a lecture after explaining the and implementing the few project. I explain this file handling in depth. Don't worry if you are not able to make a sense. So I will write here contact files. Then I will use a mode read. Okay, loading the content that are present in the contacts file. Then I will, okay, then I will open the file. Okay, I wrote some wrong here. Okay, that's why error come. Okay, so okay, here I have to write here with open contacts file, then mode here read, and here as file will open. Then I will return the JSON dot code file. Okay, so I have to import the JSON and OS is a inbuilt library in a Python. When you download the Python, it will be downloaded along with that Python. So I will write JSON. So done. If file exists, then it check the boolean value. It will give a boolean value. If it file exists, it will give true. Then this block will be executed. If it is false, that means file does not exist in your system. So we have to return something. So I returning a empty dictionary. Okay. So this part done. We have load the contact. So then I will make the like print right welcome to contact manager. Then I will use a while loop. I don't know how many iteration it will run this term. So I don't know user how many times they will add or view and delete the contact. So if you don't know the iteration, so you should use the while loop. If you know the iteration, you should use the for loop. So I don't know the iteration, how many times user can add, view, and delete, update, and search the contact. So I use the while loop. I will add here print statement. Here I will mention one means add contact. It become easier for user to add a 1, 2, 3. One indicate the add contact. Then I will write here to view contact, and I will write here 3. Here I will write search contact. Then I will add here update contact. Then I will write here 5 delete contact. Then I will write here exit. If you want to exit this loop, so I will use a break statement. It will exit. Then we will take the number and choice of a user. So I will use the input keyword, and I will enter here, enter your choice. So user will enter their choice. Then I have to remove the leading and trailing white space. Then I will write here if choice. So here I will use the if else condition, because I have to check if it is add contact. I write here because input keyword will give you in a string format, so a choice will be in a string format. So it will check if it is true, then we will add a contact. We will call the function add contact. So first I will create this function. Let's move to our word. Here I will create a new function add contact. Okay, contact. Then I will write here contacts. So here I will write a function, user defined function to adding a contacts. So this is a modular programming where we will write a reusable and usable function that can be easily modified and easily understandable. So this type of approach you should follow. So I will write first. I will if you want to add a contact to, first I will take a name of a person you want to add a contact. Enter the contact. Here I will write contact name, then strip, removing the white spaces, and I have to convert into a title. Means first character of a name will be converted into the capitalized, become a capital. Done. This is a string method. Is a string method. So first we will check name is exist or not in our contacts. So contact is a dictionary having a key and value. So in context we are checking if name is present in contact or not. Then I will write print. If it is present, means this condition become true. It means contact contact already exist. Try updating. I think you want to update the contact it instead. Okay. Then if name does not exist in the contacts, so we will take a phone number from a user. So I will add here phone number input, enter the phone number, then I use the strip method. Then I will take the email ID of a person you want to save the contact, and I will write here enter email. That email is optional. So I will write a optional and dot strip. Okay. Then I have to save it. So I will use the contacts. Then I am trying to updating the contacts, adding the contacts in a dictionary. So how to add it? First writing a square brackets and writing a key. Name is key here, and I will write here dictionary where I will write here phone is a key. This is a nested dictionary. We have a key having a dictionary that have a phone is a key, and there phone, and if email, and email is a key, second key, here you will enter a email. Okay, so you will save the contacts, save contacts. So we don't have a function of save contacts, so let's make it. Here after saving contact we will print the message for a user. Contact name added successfully. Okay, so this part is done. So we have to make a save contact function to saving the contacts. So what will I do? So I will write here, I copy the save contact. We are just dumping the value in a JSON file. So I will write contacts Here I will write with open, file will open. Contacts. Here I will write mode. Mode is write mode. Okay. And here I will write as file. So here I will write JSON dot dump. We are saving. Here I will contacts. Here I will write file and indent for. We want a for indent means for means tab, the size of tab. So we have saved the contact and adding the contact successfully. So let's move to other functionality. Here I will write alif choice. Here I will write the to. To here is view the contact. So let's make the function view contacts. Here I write contacts. Okay. So I copy the view contacts. I make the function def. Here I will write contacts and so I have to view the contact. First I will check the contact should not be empty. So here I will contacts and print statement. Contacts is empty means it is a none. If none means that I'm writing a not logical operator, so I am reversing the flipping the boolean value. None means false, flip the means true. If true means print no contacts found. Please add the contact, then you will able to view the contact. Then I will return nothing. Okay, we want to I don't want to run the code after return statement, yeah, if block. If there is a contact present the contact file, so I will view the contacts your contacts. Then I will show for name, so it is dictionary, so I will access the through item method name details. Here I will write contacts dot items and here I will print using the fstring method. So I will write here name and their details, details having a key phone and details it has a email. Okay, yeah, you can see here email. Okay, so this part is done successfully. We can view the contact. We handle the contact error if it is has a empty contact file. So after view the contact, we have to search the contact. So I will write here choice. I have to view the contact. So search the contact. So I will write the function name search contact. I will give the contact list. So what I will try to make this function. So we are searching the contact. Okay, first def. So we are searching the contacts from a contacts file. So what we have to do, we have to search through the name. Okay, so first we want the name, search name. We want to search it in a context dictionary. So we'll take this from user input, enter the name to search and then I will convert keeping the same format. We save through title method, so we have to use this title. Then I will check first in our database, means contacts file that we have loaded into the contacts. In contacts, after that, if details you find, so you say we got this information. So I will access the details through contacts, taking the search name, and then I can print this statement. I copy this, so I will write here. So where I will write here print search contact, okay. So this part is done successfully, and we can search the contact. If search name is not found in our contacts, so we have to handle it also. So I will write here print contact not found, okay. So we handle it successfully. So move to the another functionality, that is update contact. So I will write here Aleph choice. Here I will write for search, not search, we have to update contact, means we are changing the value. That value exists already. We have saved the contact already. Contacts. Okay, I will copy this. Let's make this function for updating the contact. Done. So I will write contacts, and here I will update contact. First, I will take the name from a user you want to update it. So I will write enter the contact name to update. Okay. Then after that, you use first you because we will use the name and check it in our database. It is present or not. If it is present, then we go for updating the contact. If it's not present, so we will deny this request of user. So I will write the strip. Then I have to title the name. Done. So I have to check in name in contacts. Here I will take the phone number if name is accessed in the contact. So I will take the phone number input. So I will write here enter the new phone number. Okay. If you don't want to update the phone number, so you can leave blank to keep current. Okay. If you don't want to update the mobile number but you want to update the email, so you can leave blank to keep a current value of a phone number. Okay. And I have to write here this one and dot strip. Then I will do same for email. So I update here email. Done. if I write here, first I have to check if it is empty means none, it is false. If it is if phone variable contains some value, so then it will be true, then we will update it. Contacts, then we enter the name, we access the name where we want to save, then we will access the phone. Here I will enter the phone. Then similarly I will do for email. So I will write here contacts, then I have to get the name and email, then I will write here email. Okay, if it email is empty means this block will not be executed. This block will not be executed because it is false. Then, so you understood this, logic. If you have a name, first user enter the contact name you want to update, and after that you have to check name exists or not. Then you will see, you will take the phone as well as email from a user you want to update the phone as well as, and after that we will save, we will update this value, and then take the phone email, then we will update this value, then we want to save this value also. So I will write here save contact function we have made already. So I will write here contacts, then I will print a statement where we will notify the user you have saved, all you have saved the updated the contact successfully. So I will write contact, then I will write here name, then I will write updated successfully. Okay, then if name does not found in your list, in your contact database, so we will say, first I have to write print. So I will write here contact not found. First you have to add, then you can update the contact. So we have implemented successfully this function, this functionality of a contact manager. So move to other functionality, that is delete contact. So right here al if choice is 5 means you are deleting the contact. So I will write here delete contact, then I will write here contacts. So first I copy this, then try to we will write a function for deleting the contact. Then so first I will take a name from a user you want to delete the contact. Okay, so I write a name, I will write the input keyword, and I will enter here, enter the contact name to you want to delete it. And first, and I have to write strip and handle the title as well because we have saved in a title mode. After that, if name in contact, first we'll check name should be in contacts in our database, name in contacts. So del, I explained this keyword del in a list, dictionary, tuple and set. If you have not watched and this video, please watch this video, it will help you in building your foundation in a Python. And I will contacts, if I write contact it will delete the whole file, I don't want this deleted. So I will write here contacts name. This name I want to delete. I will only delete the only name, only key I mention here. Then I will save the contact after deleting. Okay, then I will print a message for a user. Your contact, like I'll write here contact name deleted successfully. So user will be notified through this message. Then if name does not found in your contacts, so we need to handle this also. So we'll write a else block where we will write the function contacts contact not found. Okay, so you are able to see how deleting the contact and so we have successfully implemented and adding the functionality like adding contact, view contact, search contact, update contact, delete contact. Okay, if user want to exit from this looping loop and from this application, so we will write the elif choice is 6. So here I will write print statement, then I will write here some message for a user like goodbye. Okay, then I will use a break statement to stop the loop, means we want to exit the loop. If suppose user enter any invalid number, the invalid number is here user enter a other than the 1 to 6, means 8, 10, 20, 0, -2, so it will not accept. So here I will handle this also. So I will write else block. I will print a statement invalid choice. First invalid choice, then please enter a number between 1 to 6. Okay, if user enter a number other than 1 to 6, it will get a error that will be seen as a invalid choice. Please enter a number between 1 to 6. Then we will run this function using a name. Then I will enter here main. I will explain why I should write always this keyword in a subsequent lecture. So I will write here. Okay, so let's see. So here what happened when code run, I write here main. This function will call. So first it load the contact. It will load the contacts. So welcome to contact manager, and after that it will show the add contact, view contact, this functionality, and they're asking enter number, enter a choice. So I will enter a 1. So it will add the contact. Let's see first how add contact function work. Then it will become easier for us to visualize in our memory. In add contact, first it will ask the a name from a user. Then it will check our database. If it exit, it will say already exists. It will not add a contact. If it is not exit, then we'll ask the phone, email. We can write this line above the if, but it will helpful first check the name. Why we do the no? It will making a code better if you don't write. No, if you write after the if, it make it better. So then we will save the contacts and we use the save contact function. We dumping the no dictionary and we print the message your name are saved. So let's write the name John. Then they're asking number. So I'll write the random number. Then is asking the email. Okay, I will write here John. Done. So message we get contact John added successfully. So let's see it is save or not. So we have created a contact.json and so in this file so here you will see we have a 4 indent I mentioned when I dumped the contacts dictionary in a context.json file. So here you will see this is a nested dictionary where outer dictionary having a keys of a John and their values, or this inner dictionary having a phone is a key and their value, email is a key and their value. So if I want to add one more contact, like if I enter a allies, so you will see okay, okay. What happened here? Mention here enter your choice. I enter a wrong choice. I have to write a 1 to 6. That's why this else block will be executed. So this is also working. Okay, this will execute because we have entered a different number, different word that is not accepted by the model. And I will add the contact first, then name, alias, then their number, random number. Okay, let's see. Alias added successfully. Let's see the here. You will see we have added a two name and their information like phone and email successfully. So let's see the other functionality. I want to view the contact. So I will add two. Okay, you will see John and their number and their email ID. So that is working well. So if I want to search the contact, like I write a three, I want to search the allies. Let's see first how search function work. How work? So in search function, first we'll take the search name, then we'll check in a update in a contact our file. If it is exit, it will print the details of the contact. If it does not exit, it will print a else block. So I enter this. So here it will say enter the new search alias function search contact. Okay, okay. So here 4564 alias. Okay, done. Okay. I have to write here name. Okay. So let's run again. So I want to exit the loop. So I write 6. So we exit the loop. So I run again. So I want to search the contact for it. I will use 3. Then I will press enter. I will write here John. So you will see the John details. Okay. John name is search John and their details, corresponding details. If I want to search the allies, okay. Oh, then you will see the invalid choice. Okay, yeah. First I have to enter the 3. Then I will write the allies. Okay, you will see the details of allies. Suppose I want to search the name which does not exist in our contacts.json file. So what will I do? I search the RAM. Then you will see a contact not found. So it is working well. So let's update the contact. So write a 4. First see the how it works. In update, first we user enter the name, then it will check in the contacts. If it exists, and then it will proceed. So here it will take the phone email from a user, and if you don't want to update the email or phone, so you leave it a blank, then it will update it. Okay, this I teach you in a when I teaching the explaining the discussing the dictionary. So if you are not able to recall it, please watch this video. It will help you to grasp the concept of dictionary. Okay, then it save the contact. So let's see. So I want to name. I want John. So I want to update a number like. So first see the name number. A number is a 123. Okay, so I'm taking a reverse number. Okay, and then I will see 987. Okay, then see I don't want to say email. So first see the email. Email is John at 123. Okay. Then I will leave the email blank. Then you will see contact John update successfully. Let's see the contact. I will enter 2. Here you will see the contact John 9876. Okay. So it is updated successfully. And if you want to delete the contact, so I will enter a 5. Then they want to the name want to delete. So I will enter in John. So first see the function, how it works. First take a number, then check in the contacts and deleting the name and save the contacts. So here you will see you will get a message John deleted successfully. Let's see. So you will see the only one contact remains. You can see in the file. Okay, John is deleted. So this is working well. We have congratulations, you have built a contact manager now by applying a Python programming concept and fundamentals like dictionary and loop, input keyword, while, if else condition, and many more. If I say you have to segregate the contact, like the contact John belong to the friend, Elias contact belong to the family. So I want to segregate the contact into few categories. So how to write a code? What modification I need to do it? So I think you got the problem. You have to segregate the contact. You have a 5 contact and you want to segregate it into a 2 or more categories. So you have to do it because every name are belong to some other category. So you have to attach them. So you have to write the code now. First, see the solution that I will answer this question. First, pause the video and try yourself. If you are not able to make it, able to make it, try to compare the answer and see it. Then you will able to learn more. So, so we are going to implementing and adding a one more functionality. We are dividing the contacts and segregating the contacts into a groups like family, friend. This contact is belong to this category and this category. Okay. So first I create a default group. You can also add a many more group as well. So I will create here default groups. Here I will mention few category here. You can also add new category, new group also. Here I will add family and maybe friend. Okay. Then you can add the work, the contact you want to save, those who work with you, and if you don't know the category, you can add the others. Now, if you don't know the category, you can enter your contact and save contact in others. So let's change this code. I will not write the code from scratch. I will change the code in this code. Then show you the how it work. First, we will move from the step by step. First, we will look at the load contact. Our main function first load the contacts. Let's see. So we have a nested dictionary. We will try to create a nested dictionary having a 3 dictionary. So first we have a contacts means friend. Within the friend we have a other dictionary having a name. Within the name we have a their details. So we are trying to create like that. So in a load contacts, what change we have to do it? We have to write a dictionary comprehension. Here what we do? First I write uh, for group. Okay, for group in default groups. We are accessing the group from default group. Then I will write here group and creating an empty dictionary. It is a similar that I implemented for a earlier in code. I just create the family having a empty dictionary, friends having a empty dictionary, work having a empty dictionary, other having a empty dictionary. If you have any contact save in your JSON file, so it will load it. If it is not present, it will create an empty dictionary for a group. First I delete this file. So I go to the here. Okay. So I created a empty dictionary for each group. Okay. So let's move to the other functionality. So user load a contact. So the printing welcome to the contact manager. It will print the add contact view and other many more. Choice will be entered by the user. If enter a one, it means add contact. So we need to change in code. In add contact, we will take the name, and after taking a name, then we will first check this name exists or not in our dictionary or in our file. Check. Then we will add the contact. If it exists, so it will print a contact is already present in our database. So I will write group in context dot value. This I discussed when I am discussing the dictionary. Context a dictionary, we are accessing their values, only values, not a key. So here I mention values, so it will having a values means group. Within the group, within the group, we have a name. Okay, we will get a name means we get the name of the pupil, and we will check it. There is a any and all. All means if I use first I explain what happened. The contact dot values means you will have a family, friend, work, or other. This is a key in a main dictionary and their values. So we are getting this values. We get this values, or this is also dictionary. It will contain, every dictionary contains key and value having a name and corresponding details. So we will get the name means the name. If you it will give you a if name present. If name present, it will lead to a if condition become true. If not present, it will save. Yeah, it is already saved. Okay. So we are checking here. Means if you get some value, so it means it is a true. True, 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 true. If you get a true, 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 it is true. If it is true, false, false, so it means true. If it is false, then you will get the false. Okay, all means when you have a all true, all should be true, then you have a true. If one of the value become a false, it will give you false value. Okay. Okay, then and if a user want to add a one more category or group, so they can add also. This functionality also added because we have created a default group, but user can also add a. So first I will create this function. What function they do? They first showcase your all groups, available groups we have also, and then I will give some number in enumerate for indexing. Then I will write here default groups. Then I will print. Then I will write here idx group. Okay. So you will get index and groups. After showing this, user will think to enter the choice input select a group number or or type a type a new group. Okay, new group name you want to save. So then group name, then I will stripping dot strip, done. Okay, first I will check, though I have taken two condition here. If user enter number 123, then it will select the group from the group exist already. If it enter some string new group name, we need to handle also. So first I will check choice using the is digit method. If it is a digit, it means, and I will convert into the integer choice. So if we're also mentioning numbers would be within the range lan of how many items present in the default group. Then I will show default group choice -1. Okay, -1 here choosing, like you will choose here means it is placed at a index 0, because Python indexing start from 0. Then okay, then I will write here choice dot title. Okay, because we save in a title mode. Okay, done. If digit, it will show you and giving that group name. If it is not digit, so it will create a new group. Okay, so we handle it successfully. Then so in add contact, we get a group, which group we want to save it. Then so we need to update it. Here I will enter a group. If it is group same means that is okay, it will save the contact. If it is group different, it will also create a new group. Okay, so here we have done successfully. Okay, so that will work well. Okay, so get contact group is user can enter any group name that are already exist. Remember, if they want to create a new group, they are not suitable, they are not think they are getting a new more group like fitness group, booking group, so they can also create a new group also. Then we have to add a view contact. In view contact, first we're searching not contact, then we'll find no contact found. If it is empty, if then I will create one more, because it is next day dictionary. So I will first access the group, then their members in contacts, then I will enter a contacts, I will enter items. Okay, then I will enter here if members, if members present, members will be present. Okay, because members may be empty, so we have created a empty file, empty dictionary. So first check if it is a member present, then it run the print the group name, then okay, then we will, okay, this will go. So this group, okay, I will write here members will having a dictionary, we will access the details, then we will get it. Okay, so we have done this part. Okay, so this part is done because it is nested dictionary. That's why we are entering this group. Okay, okay. I have not. Okay, okay. I entered some wrong. Okay, here. Then I have to done. We need a new line. Done. If you want to search the contact, for searching the contact, we take a name from a user, which contact name you want to search in our context dictionary. Then we will first check and group and members. Then in contacts dot items. Then okay. Then I will if okay. Then I will see in then I will see in contacts means here I will enter here members. Search name in members. That will here I will write here members. Then we get details. Okay, it will work fine. Okay, and you will see when it is search name exist, then it is good. If does not exist, it will print a contact not found. Okay, then we can write this statement also. Okay, let's see first. Name exist. Okay, okay, it is work well. In updating the contact, we need to write here. First, I copy same. I will write. Then I will write here done. Okay. Here, then I will enter here contact. Then I will enter here in group. Okay. Then we will get it. So this part is done successfully. Then we have to if we have to check first group is we have to write the if they want to switch into a new group contact group. Okay, a new group, you will get a option for a new group if you want to create a new group or change into the new group. First you can create a new group or you can switch to the group that exists in our uh, system. Then after that I will write here check first condition if new group same it is same or not. Same or not. If it is present in a group, if it is not same, if it is same, that is okay, we don't need to do nothing. If it is not same, so first we check new group हमारे it is present in not list or not. New group not in contacts. If new group is not in contacts, if we not in contact, then we'll create a empty dictionary. Then we'll create a contacts new group. Then it will create a empty dictionary. Then here we will update our details contacts. Then we will add here group. You will add the name. Then you will enter the details. uh, Details we will get from the we are removing the details, we are updating the details. So what we do, contacts, I will take a group and I will pop will return, it will remove the details of the name and it will return some value that will be saved to the new group. Okay, so I will enter here new group, then then it will save successfully. Okay, it will run well. Okay, so what we are doing in the update function, we have given an option to user, you can switch to the groups and you can create new group. If you create a new group, then we'll check with the string group, it is not present, we will create the empty dictionary and we will save our item. And on deleting a contact, uh, we have to write here we are. Okay, then we update this functionality. Here I will write, here I will write members. Okay, in a members I also write here members contacts. Here I have to add the group, then we will save a contact and this part done successfully. Okay, so our code is ready for run. Let's run this, then see the. So here, welcome to contact manager and we add a contact. So let's write first add. So enter the contact name they are asking. Let's see the code first, how it is working. In add contact, we first user will enter name, like I am writing John, and I will check first it is exist or not. If it exists, so it will print a statement. Okay, then we have to see in add contact if it is exist already. So we don't want this code should be run. Okay, so we need to avoid this to run. So we'll write a return now without returning anything. Okay, then first I run in, then run again, then see I will add a contact. So it will take a phone number, email as well, and contact name. So I will write here John, then number and John at the rate. Then it is asking, then get contact group will run. This function run. What they do first, it will show the what group present in our system. Then it will choose. It will provide a choice if user want to choose or not. If they want to select from the among the group, and if you create a new group, I want to choose from the family. So I will choose 0. Then okay, let's see. Then I choose 0 and what happened? Title. Let's see the what problem came. Let's resolve it. So I enter the 0. So it check is it digit or not. Okay. First we need to write a, like I want to start from 1. First I will do it. I think 0 is considered as a string, that's why it is giving error. First I will write here start. Here I will mention 1. So let's run again. There is a lot of error came when you build something from scratch. So you don't need to worry about it. You will learn through this process because you need to do a multiple iteration. Then you can make a very big and scalable application or system. So I will write 1, the name you want to, then phone number, then their email, then they're asking one. Okay, so you will see contact John edit successfully. Let's see in this. Okay, this file also created. Then you will see we have a family group. Within this group, we have a number of contacts, and we have a number of groups also family friends that are empty. Let's see the view. First, see the function what they do. In a view contact, first check it is empty or not. If it is not empty, it will show you the details. So I will write here. Then you will see family, and we have John did this values. Let's add a one more in a different category. I write here allies, then their number, random number, then their random email, and I want to save in friend. Okay, David, let's see save or not. So you will see for a family it is giving you details because group mention here group name member and their details. So for group for each group came and it will produce the result and their values, and similarly for friends. So it is working well. Let's see in file. Okay, it is also working well. Let's add one more detail in a one more contact in a family. What happened? We have a two contact. I enter a RAM, then their number, then their email. I want it friend. Okay, let's see. Enter two. So in a family we have added successfully. So it is working well. You will get John their values, Ram their details. So it is working well. Let's create a one more group. What happened? So I want to create a one more group. I enter one. So I want to add a name like like uh, I can use the Danny and enter their number, enter their email. It is just a hypothetical, and it will ask I want to create a new group. Suppose I want to create a group like professor group if you are looking, or industry group. Okay, so here what happened, let's see first what error came. Then so here okay, let's see the code group name. Okay, in a line 1 3 on line 4 6, line 4 6 we are getting error. Okay, it is working well. We're getting industry. Okay, industry key error we are getting. Okay, let's see what is why we are getting error. Let's first print the group, then we can easily debug. First we are, and let's run again. Let's I write a add, then Danny, then their number random, their email, then I will write here industry. Okay, let's see. Okay, we are getting industry, but it is not taking. Okay, okay. Let's see what is the error. So we are getting a error in a add contact. We are getting a group, then we are saving details. In contacts, it is good, right? Okay. First, we miss one major point. That is, it is giving error because there is no such industry group exist. First, we need to create an empty dictionary, then we can add it. So that's why it is giving an error. So if first I check group in contacts, if group is in contact, that is good. If it is not contact, so I will write here not in contact. Then you have to create a new group that is empty. Okay, let's run again this code. I hope this time will run successfully. Let's see. I want to add name Danny, then their number, then email, then industry. Okay, it is work well. Contact Danny added successfully. Let's see. So we will see Danny are okay, industry and their details. Okay, it is working well. Okay, it is working well. So we have done well in industry. In industry, we have a key and value. That is good. We are getting a value. We handle the error as well. Don't be ashamed when you get error. Try to resolve them. Understand the error. You're getting a key error because there is no key are there. So let's search the number. Search the contact. I enter 3. Then see the first function. Then what we do? We have a take the search name. I enter John. Then I will search the name in member and it will searching and getting details. Okay, let's see. So contact not found, not found. Okay, okay. We are getting this statement multiple times. Let's understand why it is coming. Then first it go getting groups. Every group came and group search name in numbers and search name in the members and details we get. And for each group it will do. If it is present, it show. If it is not present, it will show not found. So for each group, like we have a 4. First count the how many groups I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 group I have, and so it will give 4. And okay, that's why I have to write here return statement nothing. Otherwise, if it is not found, so we will write here. Okay. Similarly, I did same thing here. I will enter here return statement and okay, done. So let's run again, then we'll see. So I searching the contact, enter the name to search John. So you will see John exists, that you're getting an answer. I will search in I will write a uh, Vikram, then you will see not found. That is working well. In a update contact, name you want to update, I want to update of John, the new phone number. Okay, then I leave blank. You do you want to switch the group? I want to switch. I want to convert the others. I will enter 4. Then you will see contact John update successfully. So we switch them. So you will see in others you will have a John. Okay, so that is working well. If you want to delete a contact, so I will write 5. Then a name. I want to delete a John. It is deleted successfully. Let's see by pressing 2. So you will get industry, friends, family. There is no John here. You will see here. So we have built this application successfully, and Congratulations if you have understand this concept. If you have any query, so please leave them in comment section. I'm happy to resolve them. So here in this lecture, I successfully built a contact manager and adding a one more functionality, that is segregating the contacts. If you're not able to understand any concept, and please leave them in comment section. I'm happy to resolve them. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you understand this video, and thank you so much, everyone. See you in next lecture.